In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off messages on your Facebook page. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Facebook app. Once it is done, tap right here to head over to menu, and then first off we need to switch from our main Facebook profile to a page. To do that, tap right here at that arrow. It will show you all of your Facebook pages here. Then I'm gonna select that one. That switches us to that page, and after that we need to get to the menu again and then tap right here to head over to settings. On pages settings, we need to tap right there at search icon and then just search for messages. And that's how we can easily find the option which is called allow people and pages to message your page. Then we need to tap right here, and after that all we have to do in order to turn off messaging on our Facebook page is just deactivate that option. Basically, guys, that's it. Now we can close Facebook app. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.